Alright guys, welcome to day 2.
Oh my god, no, this is me in the morning. What's my face? Feels really funny.
Last night, the air mattress setup took a long time. At one point I was underneath it while it was inflated. We're trying to not get caught by the cops, but I accidentally honked the horn. Eliza's already tired of me, as you can see. This is where we slept. So yeah, there's just an air mattress back there. I just brushed my teeth to this view. Who else gets to wake up to this? It's pretty legit.
It's our mental state. Foggy. Do you have an opinion?
No, I don't.
I'm gonna drive.
Alright.
We're gonna see the Samuel H. scenic corridor. Yeah.
Aren't we already there?
I guess so, but I was asleep when Steven pulled it.
We're gonna get you new shoes.
This is my makeshift situation.
Her other shoes are like soaking wet still. Let's go.
Across the border to California. We're in Cali now.
Let's go.
Hey.
We definitely thought it was a toll booth and not
Yeah.
a border.
Oh my gosh. Hi, California.
So, Eliza scored a 34.
Excuse me, no. Steven scored a 32.
They don't even know what we're talking about. We're almost at Redding, California. It's about 2 hours from Sacramento. Here's some city stuff. What are you doing? What?
We're sick.
Oh, you can walk around more. There's a log.
A lot of people say their lives aren't exciting enough to vlog. But the truth is, it's the little things. The memorable moments of the 35,000 choices we make every day that make us so interesting. That's why we love watching people fail and succeed.
She got car sick. Just enjoying the view.
I vlog because I'm scared to forget all the little things. With short-term memory seemingly on the decline, how can you not want to see yourself in the future? Whether that's 1 year from now or 20. Don't you want to remember what made you human all that time?
Scream, California is beautiful as loud as you can.
Okay. Really?
Yeah.
California's beautiful.
One of the most beautiful things I've seen all year.
Pork belly. This is Steven's first experience with KBBQ.
Yep.
Long overdue. How old are you?
Stop telling people my age.
Hey. Rude.
Alright, so I made a joke to Eliza earlier about my car getting stolen because my keys are stolen. And she said it's fine. So I moved my car while we're eating Korean barbecue, and I'm gonna pretend like it gets stolen. What? It's over. Oh. Where's the car at? We parked right there, right?
Shoot, did someone drive it off?
No.
Did you repark?
No, why did it? We parked there, right?
Yes.
Shit.
Because your keys work, right?
Yeah.
Wait, Steven?
What?
Wait, did you repark?
No.
You kept going out.
I didn't go there. Oh shit, it's not there? No, it's there. It's there.
Oh my god. I hate you.
You hate me? That's only the second.
Drove off.
That's only the second time you said that.
Steven! Videoing the entire time?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, I was like, okay, I have my money on me, but your stuff, like your camera, freaking camera.
Oh yeah, I've been out like 7K.
I hate you. I hate you
Don't
so
hate
much.
me. No, I'm sorry.
hate
No, I'm not sorry.
Why did you report?
Because
You hate me.
I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
we made it to our lovely hotel room, but the light doesn't work. Exhibit A. Again. Again.
I hate you so much.
Stop saying you hate me. Oh, okay. Alright. Maybe this one will. That's not a light switch. Okay, this is weird.
We need to ask the lady.
Yeah. Awkward.
Sorry, I'm just like dissing Steven way too much.
Yeah, apparently. Yeah, so the lights don't work. So we got a different room instead. And hopefully the lights work.
Let's see if they
Hey, what did you say to me?
grow up.
You're the one that. You're making fun of me, I can make fun of you. Alright.
What is this smell?
Oh, of course. So this room, I'm betting the lights will work. Nope.
Do you need to close the door? Welcome to the story of how you died.
The lights do work, but we had to do some weird exercises to make them work. That sounds weird. There's just, you have to turn this light on first and then like flip one of the switches on the wall and then flip the light. It's basically Krabby to get the Wi-Fi to work. That's how we had to get the lights on here. Frank and Ralph, if you're watching.
Password is I hate you.
That's right! You won the
Yay!
contest! Wow! Welcome to your new room. This is
Why,
yours forever.
thank you.
This is your prize.
It's not like I made
Aren't
the
you so
lights
happy?
work. The
Thank you.
5th trip to say hi to the nice lady over the counter.
We're not gonna let her in next time. Would you please state your name and home address?
Steven Sullivan, Dallas, Oregon.
Hey! Wrong.
I want to take a shower.
Oh. No, you're trying to trick me.
Please.
Okay.
You can't see under this mess, but I'm frowning because I'm sad.
No, you're not.
You made me sad.